Let me ask you something. Have you ever typed on a cheap rubber dome keyboard and felt like you were mashing wet cardboard? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the truth. Your keyboard shouldn't hold you back. Whether you're a gamer chasing that perfect headshot, a writer battling deadlines, or just someone who hates laggy, unresponsive keys, upgrading to a mechanical keyboard is a game changer. And not just any mechanical keyboard. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best mechanical keyboards on Amazon, each with unique features, unbeatable performance, and prices that'll shock you. Oh, and don't forget, our links below get you exclusive discounts, so stick around. Your dream keyboard is waiting. 5. TMKB 60% Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. More detailed and persuasive. Kicking things off at number 5, the TMKB 60% Mechanical Keyboard is the ultimate budget warrior, perfect for gamers, students, or anyone who wants mechanical quality without breaking the bank. Now, what makes this keyboard special? Red linear switches, smooth, fast, and perfect for rapid keystrokes with a 45-gram actuation force. That means no bump, no click, just buttery smooth presses that'll give you an edge in fast-paced games like Fortnite or Call of Duty. And because it's a 60% layout, you get a super compact design that saves desk space while keeping all the essential keys. But here's the kicker. Anti-ghosting technology ensures every single key press registers, even if you're spamming WASD like a maniac. Plus, the LED backlighting with 15 dynamic modes isn't just for looks, it's practical for late-night gaming sessions. And at just $29.99? It's a no-brainer. The double-shot keycaps won't fade, the detachable USB-C cable makes it travel-friendly, and the foldable feet give you an ergonomic tilt. If you're new to mechanical keyboards or just want a reliable, no-frills option, this is it. Number 4. BOYI WK68 Wireless Mechanical Keyboard. More features and benefits. Next up, the BOYI WK68, a wireless wonder that's perfect for clutter-free desks and multi-device users. This tri-mode keyboard connects via Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless or USB-C, so you can seamlessly switch between your PC, Mac, iPad, or even your phone. No annoying dongles needed. It's a 65% layout, 68 keys, meaning you keep your arrow keys but ditch the bulky numpad for a sleeker, more efficient setup. Now, the Gateron yellow switches are hot swappable, which is a huge deal. If you ever want to upgrade to a different switch type, you can do it without soldering. And the XDA Profile PBT keycaps? They're dye sublimated, so the lettering won't wear off like those cheap, shiny ABS keycaps you see on budget keyboards. But the real star here, the RGB backlighting. With 12 lighting effects and customizable software, you can make this keyboard glow like a rave or keep it subtle for work. And with a 3,500 mAh battery, it'll last weeks on a single charge. At $49.99, this is the best wireless mechanical keyboard under $50. Ideal for gamers, writers, and anyone who hates cable clutter. Number 3. EPOMAKER X Aula F65 PRO. More depth and comparisons. Now, we're stepping into premium territory with the EPOMAKER X Aula F65 PRO, a gasket-mounted masterpiece that's all about sound, feel, and customization. First, the gasket mount design means this keyboard is incredibly stable and quiet. No metallic ping or rattling, just a deep, satisfying thwack with every keystroke. The pre-lubed ice crystal switches are buttery smooth, and the 5-layer sound-dampening foam ensures zero echo or harsh noise. But what really sets this apart? The rotary knob. Adjust volume, RGB brightness, or even scroll through documents with a simple twist. No more fumbling for shortcuts. And the shine-through PBT keycaps let the per-key RGB shine brilliantly with 16.8 million colors to match your mood or setup. It's also wireless. Bluetooth/2.4 GHz, has a 4,000 mAh battery, and supports hot swappable switches, so you can upgrade anytime. At $56.09 with a 15% discount, this is a luxury keyboard without the luxury price tag. If you want premium sound and feel, this is the one. Number 2. BOYI C75 Pro, 75% layout with TFT screen. More storytelling and wow factor. Alright, number 2 is where things get futuristic. The BOYI C75 Pro isn't just a keyboard, it's a mini command center with a TFT screen. Yes, you heard that right. A full-color TFT display that can show custom GIFs, system stats, Spotify track info, or even your own animations. Imagine checking your CPU temperature, Discord messages, or battery life without ever leaving your game. Mind-blowing, right? This 75% layout, 81 keys, keeps the function row and arrow keys while staying compact. The gasket-mounted design gives it a deep, resonant sound, and the PBT keycaps are ultra-durable. Plus, it's tri-mode, Bluetooth/2.4 GHz/USB-C, and even has a built-in USB-A hub. Plug in a flash drive or mouse without reaching for your PC. And with a 4,000 mAh battery, you'll get weeks of use between charges. At $65.99, this is the perfect keyboard for streamers, tech enthusiasts, or anyone who loves customization. If you want cutting-edge features, this is unbeatable. Number 1. EPOMAKER Aula F108, Best Overall. And now, the number 1 Best Mechanical Keyboard, the EPOMAKER Aula F108. This isn't just a keyboard, it's the ultimate typing and gaming powerhouse. First, it's full-sized, 108 keys, so you get everything, including a numpad for spreadsheets or data entry. The hot, swappable switches mean you can customize your typing feel anytime, and the 5-layer sound dampening, foam, silicone, PT film makes it one of the quietest mechanical keyboards out there. The cherry profile PBT keycaps are thick, textured, and resistant to shine, so they'll look and feel brand new for years. And the per-key RGB lighting, stunning. With full customization, you can create lighting profiles for different games or apps. But the real magic? The 4,000 mAh battery lasts 100+ hours. Imagine weeks of gaming or work without charging. And it's wireless, Bluetooth/2.4 GHz, so you can switch between devices effortlessly. At $84.99, with a 15% discount, this is the best mechanical keyboard for most people, whether you're a gamer, programmer, or office worker. If you want performance, durability, and premium features, this is the keyboard to beat. So, which keyboard are you grabbing? The budget-friendly TMKB, the wireless BOYI WK68, the premium EPOMAKER F65 Pro, the futuristic BOYI C75 Pro, or the all-around champion EPOMAKER F108. Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your pick. And don't forget, our links below get you the lowest prices plus exclusive coupons, so you can upgrade your setup today. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy typing, and game on!